Okay, what I'm going to try to do here is do a little filming at the Louie Vermeil Classic at the Calistoga Speedway in Calistoga. Right now, the heat races for the sprints and midgets are over, and they've got the vintage cars on the track. So vintage cars just getting out here, rolling out. So they're getting a little warm up before they do some hot laps with the vintage cars. So interesting to see that there's quite a few cars here, sprints and midgets from the 30s all the way up into the 70s. And one car that's interesting for me especially is a car that Roger McCluskey drove back in the 60s. It's a Foyt Ford powered sprint car that was driven in the Champ Series back in the day. And you know, Roger McCluskey drove for my dad and grandfather. In fact, that's the car there. When Grandpa Dahlgren had the sprint car that my dad built, it was a white sprint car running the number 11 on it in blue colors. And quite coincidentally, that's the car that's out here tonight is also a white car with the blue number 11, formerly driven by Roger McCluskey. So it's pretty cool to see something from back in the day here on the track. Here we go. Let's. I hope you can hear this. It's pretty noisy. So they're trying to get the cars to group up a little bit to let them go. The Calistoga Speedway is all redone and widened for this year, and this is the first night that any of the cars have been out on the track after the rebuilding of the track. So it's pretty cool. There goes the track roadster. The track roadster that's out here tonight is flathead powered. All the old early stuff. Really a cool car. Let me see if I can catch them as they come back around. There goes the 11 car again.
Out there that talked a lot about it on the CR license. That's the car built 1926.
Here they come down. There's the track roadster. That's the flathead Ford. The 56 car, that's the former Gary Patterson car. Many main event wins here at Calistoga. Restored now to run in the vintage group. Offies in the midget group, so it's fun to see and hear the old four-cylinder offie. There's an old Miller. That's a museum quality car there. I hope they can work on that. I see it's running a little bit lean. It's got a pretty red hot exhaust on it. Real throaty deep sound, that's the Foyt Ford, the 4-cam Ford, and the 11 car, the former Roger McCluskey car. I'll follow that around this time. Okay, here he comes out of fourth turn right behind the roadster. kind of rolled it on there going down the back stretch. Let's see if he rolls it on coming out here. There we go. Okay, that's it. I hope you like that little shot. I hope that there he goes. I hope you enjoy listening to the Foyt Ford and the old timers here at Calistoga.